How's it going, folks? Joe Zamecki here, Texas State Director for American Atheists. They're about to close a lot of schools and lay off a lot of teachers in Texas, and it's really not necessary if you think about it. There's a very wealthy type of entity that doesn't pay any taxes at all, yet reaps the benefits of all the public services we all pay for equally. And I'm one of those millions of Americans who feel that time has come for people like Benny Hinn, who's not in Texas anymore, but like Joel Osteen, other mega-church leaders and televangelists who rake in millions of dollars per month in profits, who may help people. But this is one way they can really help. And our governor takes a large paycheck, of course, as the governor, as well as legislators here. And it's downright disturbing that they are willing to close public schools because they are mismanaging the money that they're entrusted with, tax dollars, somewhere disappearing, and we're talking billions of dollars worth. My message is there is a solution that sounds radical, but so did women's rights and the vote for blacks, etc. These ideas were crazy at first, but today it's getting a little less crazy to say this. Now, some public schools, you may have heard, are broken, so to speak. Damaged, run down, underfunded, badly need of repairs in a number of areas. I've heard from some people who say this is the perfect time to close those schools permanently and save the money we've been spending on them. I don't believe there's a reason, a legitimate reason anyway, to close any public schools that exist now. We need to fix the ones that are broken. And we need to rededicate ourselves to a commitment to education. We need to help our young here in Texas have not only an equal quality of education available, but a superior one. If you ask me, Texas ought to be right on top of education. We currently lag behind education statistics. Just health and human services for poor children, but also public school quality itself. I believe that is a higher priority than how it's being treated now. Between our governor and our legislators, education doesn't seem to be a strong priority. Recently, the governor actually coined a phrase which is very poignant here, talking about services that were not important to him. He used the term mission critical. He said certain programs are not mission critical with our budget. And then he slashed education. I believe that education is beyond mission critical. It's as important as emergency services. We have got to educate our young better than this. We are lagging behind in education, and it is time to rededicate ourselves to a commitment to providing the best possible public education we can. This is important. Very important. You know, in many ways, Texas is the best of the 50 states, if you ask me. We've got a lot of things here they just don't have in any other state. There's one area we're lagging behind. We need to work on that. We need to spend some more tax money on education. There, I said it. Who wouldn't mind paying a higher tax?
Look into it, man. It's worth checking out. I didn't believe it until somebody proved it. I'm going with it. Just good work. All right, good work.
Texas has some great schools, some great teachers. We really need to rededicate ourselves to a commitment to education. This is not the time to be closing down schools. Texas already lags behind statistically, behind other states in education in other areas. They've just begun cutting education by the billions. I've already put in today. It's not so hard. By the way, if you'd like to help out but can't be here at 1 p.m. on weekdays, please come here when you can. As you can see, this is easy for one person to do. Here's a thumbs up. We haven't seen that either. Thumbs up from a public city bus driver. That's cool. Folks, it's been great. My meter's up, my arms are tired, and the weekend is beginning. It's going to be a great weekend. Look for more videos. Thanks for watching.